Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to hide the tags on GetContact app. Now if you want to hide the tags on GetContact app but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the GetContact app on a device. So if you have not installed the GetContact app, you just need to install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. So after that, simply open the GetContact app, and as you can see, this is the home page of GetContact, where you'll see various options on the home page itself, and you'll see the option of phone chat menu at the very bottom of the taskbar. Now to delete or hide the tags on GetContact, you just need to click on the option of menu at the very bottom right, and this will take you to the profile page or the menu page of the GetContact app, where you'll see the option of notifications, SMS protections, and all of the things. But below your name, you'll see the option which says #1 or #234, the number of tags which are given to you. So you just need to simply long press on the tags which you want to remove, and an option will appear on your screen saying hide. So simply click on it, and it says why do you want to hide the tag. So you may select the option of inappropriate content, the tag does not represent me, and others option, and click on the option of remove, which is highlighted and blue, and a pop-up will appear saying are you sure. So click on the option of OK to continue it. So that's it. That's how you can hide the tags on GetContact app. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.